today I'm surprising Stella with this special present and she has no idea what it is. Hi Stella.
Ready?
I am. Are you ready?
A new backpack! Yay!
You think
It's a suitcase backpack. It has a clear thing.
Do you know what goes in there?
No.
Whiskers.
Whiskers?
Yeah. It's a cat backpack. So you let me see it.
Whiskey, get in here.
So
Whiskey.
look at all the holes in it. That's so he can breathe.
Yeah.
And then the dome, the plastic dome, is so he can see.
Cool. I love it. Whiskers, I'm going to put them in here right now. This is hard. Why did they put plastic on this?
You think he's gonna love it?
Not really.
So we can actually bring him outside now
Yeah.
in the new carrier.
Whiskers is like, no. Whiskers is getting away from me because he sees it.
I think he's gonna love it.
I don't think he'll like the fit. You want to test it?
Yeah? You wanna test it?
Yeah, I want to test it in the front yard.
Okay.
Because we're really close to the front yard.
Look, it's got like a zipper on the front and
It's
like,
got a zipper on the front, a side zipper.
oh, there's like side pouches.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, the holes are so he can breathe.
Yeah,
It's pretty big, eh?
yeah. Mommy, what's on that for?
So it's comfy for him. Open up the zipper. Open up the top.
No, I was still wrapping on it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, he's checking it out.
Oh, you checking it out? Oh, I think I like it.
I think so too.
I
He'll
don't
be
know.
like a space cat.
Yeah, we could take him into space with us. I thought you would get me like a... I just want to play with the garbage. Serious? Whiskers, this is for you. Whiskers. Get in here, Whiskey. Are you ready to get in your new thing? You ready?
Oh, let's see the inside, Stella. Okay, so I think we have to make that white thing flat in it. Yeah.
Ooh, that's cozy.
Yeah, feels nice.
Yeah. Test it.
Let's see if he likes it.
I can't. No, you're not Whiskers. No, you don't. No. You have to be in this. You have to get in this. I don't think he'll come in now, my
All
Jack.
right, he's in.
No, he's in here, and now we're going to take it outside.
I don't know if he likes it. Do you want to put it on your back and see if we can take him outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know what to do. He's heavy.
Come here. Okay, so it's on your back. Let me see the front little strap. So it's got one of these so he doesn't fall
Yeah.
off and turn around. It's got some breathing holes here for him. And hey, Whisk. All right, let's take him outside.
Okay.
See if he likes it. All right, we're outside.
We're outside. We're outside now, and the last time we got him outside, he climbed that tree.
All right, let's go for a little walk. See how he does. Can you
Let's go
feel-
for a little walk.
Can you feel him moving around?
Yeah. Yeah. I can't really see. Whoa. What?
Is he heavy?
Yeah.
Can you feel him walking, moving around?
He's squirmy, yeah.
So he seems to not mind it now.
Yeah.
He seems to get used to
I
it.
think he's going to.
Was it comfy to wear it?
Nah.
Was it heavy?
Yeah,
It looks really comfy. It's got these straps on the back with all this padding.
Well,
And a little side.
It hurt my neck somehow.
Yeah. It's got lots of breathing holes for him.
Here,
And lots of cushion for
and
us.
It's so cute.
So after a few minutes, the cat got used to it. Whiskers. And now, after his little adventure outside, we're gonna let him out.
Okay, we just took Whiskers on his walk.
In his new backpack,
In
right?
his new backpack.
Did he love it or hate it?
He loved it.
Did he?
And there's like these breathing holes, a little pouch thing. While you're walking, you can pet him. A cushioning to make it soft for the cat. And then, oh, here he is right now.
Yeah, he doesn't hate it. All right, turn it around. Let's see the back of it. All right, so it's got some nice
It got really
cushioning,
nice.
right?
It got really nice.
Was that cozy on your back?
Yeah.
Okay. And the straps are nice and thick.
Yeah, the straps are nice and thick.
And then the bottom. Let's see the bottom of it. It's got like a nice grippy.
It got some nice grippy things.
Yeah.
Like,
And lots of breathing holes, right?
and lots of big.
Do you think Whiskers was comfortable in there?
Yeah.
Whiskers, were you comfortable in there?
Meow meow.
Meow meow.
Yeah.
So would you recommend this? Would you tell people to buy this or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If they had a cat.
For sure buy it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can take your cat walking outside in a backpack. Thanks for watching.